Just a quick shot for you of the Prosim 737 in operation. The center ECUS, the lower CDU. Screen's a little dirty down here, as you can tell, but we're getting ready to frame it, but we're not going to put the frame on and the glass over it until the FMC is fixed up. I don't know whether you can see it or not, but the green bar that's going across the center there, just about right here, is the attitude of the aircraft. And if you notice up here, it's showing that the MCP speed is on, heading select is on, the vertical speed is on. It's in a command mode, which means the MCP is on. And right now setting at 250 knots. Down here it's Mach 4.18. And as you can see down here, the barometric pressure, we're climbing to an altitude of 30,000. Magnetic heading of 105. And the ground speed here at current is 322 miles per hour. And we're going to increase, now that we've passed the 10,000 foot mark, the speed to approximately 285 knots indicated airspeed. And as you can see outside, the weather is really crappy, but again, I like to fly it that way. And we'll be flying instruments and making an instrument approach to Las Vegas. And what you hear in the background is Las Vegas approach and departure, the real thing. And that's about it.